This should be handled gently. Turn around. Okay, so this is the starting line. That is the finish line. You are required to not touch anything which is not painted blue or white. Firstly, the color rule. The white is where you all can stand. Your helping material, you, and the load. The blue part is where you can stand, but not your helping material and nor your load. Okay. Also, the place where I am standing is out of bound for everyone. Neither you or your load or the rassi or any helping material can touch. And using that, you have to cross and reach to the final position. Also, there is a rule of infinity where you must assume that these lines are going to infinite and that line is going to infinite. And you cannot cross from here or here in that order. Also, listen to the instructions carefully and act on it immediately. Okay, so after you are finished with the first obstacle, you must stand there till all of your friends have reached the finish line and all the materials and the objects you are carrying have crossed the finish line. Okay, understood with the instructions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may start with the.
So we have to go with this part.
You have to use the left side. Okay, this is your obstacle. Yeah, you can start.
So first, I am question that,
Yeah, wait. Oh, yeah.
So that's light blue color is considered as blue or white.
It will be told to you. It is white for now. As you proceed further, different colors will be used and will be changed, and you have to act accordingly. Okay.
So now we can consider it white.
Yeah.
Let's take equipments first. I have an idea.
Gentlemen, please lift this.
One to take a load.
Wait.
Okay. I think we can easily go on this obstacle.
Don't pass the place. So
Place it on the white line.
We can put it.
It doesn't touch blue.
Place it on the white line.
Okay, flat. Place it flat.
Not
No, not wrong.
that
Okay.
only.
Till the white line only.
This is right.
Yeah.
And this way.
Now one of you can.
We can easily pass there.
Okay, remember, listen. First, one of us go there, and then another person will go there, and then
keep
we
the
will
plank.
switch the plank there.
Well, I
and
think
then
I should
he will
continue.
pass. And after that, another person do that same thing. Because
first-
there is not enough place, then we can also.
So we will be implementing this plan. Once you can cross.
Well-
Test number 11. You can cross over there.
Okay.
Okay, I will be passing the plank to you.
You have to.
You
Okay.
place the plank right there, and then you keep. We will.
No. That's not a. How can
You go and make some space.
I say that we should.
We can put this plank further so that
We should keep it.
we can
here, then
continue
we can,
forward.
Cross the load
But
also.
then how other?
How can you
persons-
pass it?
Then we can. He can pass.
I
the-
will stand there and pass the person who is standing here,
Yeah.
and they can.
have to go there, no?
Okay. Take the plank.
Okay, take the plank and go.
Yeah.
Put it.
Chest number 5. Please. Okay. Let me take the
Keep it on
load.
the white line.
Okay.
Don't touch the blue.
Okay.
When you make a mistake, please take a step back.
Gentlemen, I think we can.
Okay, now you can stand in between. And
I think we can also take the help
We
of
can
that
take the
bully
bully and we
so
can
that
cross
we
it.
can continue it from
Yeah.
this
Yeah,
side.
yeah.
Police number 2.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
अरे इसके ऊपर stand on the platform. Please pass on the.
You can take the load.
You can pass me the load.
Okay.
Take it.
Please place in the.
First place it.
Okay, go and.
I think you can put the bully here and can continue. But
Yeah,
It
you.
will be imbalanced. It will be imbalanced. Don't do that. We can use plank.
one
again.
person can hold it
Yeah,
from
yeah.
there, and
Okay,
then
okay.
he can easily pass by
Yes,
holding my hand.
yes, you can. Wait.
By holding my hand, you can touch it
You can go on the
carefully.
Okay. Pass by my one. Please,
Firstly, I put the
hold
load
it.
there.
Now we keep the load there.
Please, you can go. Vinay, please hold it. Test number. Okay.
One person,
Please take.
keep it steady.
Okay, okay. Yes, test number 5. You can go. Please hold it.
Chest number 2, you can come.
Be very carefully.
Take the rope with you.
Yeah. Yeah, please pass on this rope.
First, pass the rope.
Yeah, Sandeep, please pass on the rope. Test number 5.
Okay, chest number 8, you can come this side.
Okay, wait. I will hold it and you will pass on. Okay. Go with the help of Vinay. Okay.
You can come.
Please, test number 5.
And now-
Chest number
hold it
7,
from there.
you please also come here.
Don't use Balli now. Change the position of plank.
Okay, okay. Give me plank.
Gentlemen, there is no need because it would be tough to recover that plank instead of that balli.
You can come here.
It would be tough to recover it.
Chest number 1, you can come here and then take the balli with you.
Yeah.
Chest number 5.
Okay,
Hold
one
the
person.
Okay,
please
okay.
hold
We can pass by this only. Please hold it.
Hold it strongly.
Hold it.
Okay.
Very good. That's all.
Okay,
Okay.
chest number 7, you can please come.
friends. Frog.
You can pass the balli.
Pass the volley.
Please hold it.
Okay. Please go one by
Okay, chest
one.
number 5, you can come.
Congratulations.
Okay, you can pass though. I will pass the ball.
You can come.
Remember that. Okay. Now lift the plank. Remember that this will.
It should not touch down. Okay, you can put it again there. You can put it again. We can try another time. We will try it another time. Gentlemen,
It's touching blue line.
should I do this?
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes. So can we do it again? Yeah. Pick it up. Yeah. That's good.
Great, gentlemen. Chest number 1.
So let's do this. So first idea, I believe that we can tie the rope and then we can use a plank to cross here. We can create an incline structure.
Gentlemen, we can
please don't
just put plank there and
we can
further
create an
we can.
incline structure like this way. So our plank, where is the plank? Our plank would be placed like this. First, we need to tie the rope here. Inside the rope, we will be placing the plank.
I think tying the rope would not help.
Or we can use.
Firstly, a person can go on it.
We are not put balli here.
I think ये idea कि हमें ये वाला यहाँ यूज करना चाहिए बल्ली इसके नीचे लगा देना चाहिए इससे ये लोड रहेगा वहाँ क्रॉस but we cannot
We can keep the plank in an inclined position, so it will be facing that side.
but we can try it.
One person can go there.
Yeah, a person can go without the help of Bali and
I think I can go there for support.
yeah.
So we don't need to use plank because we
There is
can,
no need to use
Gentlemen,
plank.
what's your idea?
we can use plank.
from here to there.
You can.
It will not. It will not reach.
Where will you keep the plank?
Okay, you have to. Someone have to go there.
No, that is greater than 4
Away.
feet. We need to
Okay.
create a bridge.
I can make it. We can create with the
Yeah, you can use this side out and then.
Here we will using the manpower. We will.
Okay,
we will place the plank one side of plank on that.
How will you
Gentlemen, firstly, put it here. Put it here.
place it on the right side. Okay. Let's measure the distance.
What I think is that we can tie rope from this to this plank.
Too hard.
It is touching red color.
That is a great idea.
We can tie this rope from it to the plank so that it would be stable. Please tie it tightly. I am holding it.
The rope is touching the electrified area.
What is the use of that?
I don't think because it will be inclined like this.
No,
It would be useful.
What will
It
be
would
the
be
use of that?
useful.
Yeah, what will
The
be use of it?
lighter among us can go.
You can
from
jump on that.
here to there.
This is not so
I think
stable.
this is risky.
This is not so stable.
This
because
can be
One person can hold it as well, so that will stabilize the structure.
This will move
That's why
side by side.
Okay.
Push the area. First, we will increase the plank on that side, and a person will hold the plank like this, and a person will climb on the plank and then reach there this side.
I think
that
you
side.
can tie it from forward so that it will utilize the space.
Gentlemen, I have an idea. What we can do is that we can tie the rope here, like this way, and we can place a plank in somewhat position so that it will not touch the blow area in an inclined manner. It will be going that side.
It is
That
wrong,
will help.
so it will touch
That
the
will
ground. I think.
it will not touch, because if we put the plank from here, it will not touch that part.
Can you jump on that?
That red part is now white. Okay, that's okay. Bring it in the middle then.
Okay, brilliant.
Then we have a much better idea.
Okay.
With the balli.
So we don't.
Place it down.
Place it down. Don't touch the electrified area, please.
But
No, no,
that is
no, no. That is not going to work. That is not going to work.
that is
Let me
risky.
do one thing.
That is so risky.
Chest number.
You can tie it there.
Chest
if
number
you want.
11. Please come back. I will show you how to do it.
You can.
Please come back. Okay. Let's come back.
Well, okay.
Okay, very carefully. Be
Let me
careful.
do it.
Be careful.
Let
Uh,
him come back. Let me go
Sir, can we cross by jumping?
Let me go there. I will show you how to.
Can we cross by jumping?
Can you hold it?
No, no.
No, no.
More than 4 feet you cannot. That area we cannot cross actually.
If you can hold it from your hands,
Now a
that
person.
We
who
can
will
create a
follow-
back lever. We can Shivanand, push the plank to that side. Push the plank to that side.
Yes,
keep pushing.
that is great idea.
Get
yeah. Put it
I
more
think-
forward. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
nice.
now you can
That's
cross
nice.
easily.
That's nice.
I think that was a great
you,
idea.
it's stable in the man. You can cross.
Okay, you
Okay.
can cross one by one. The entire stone is not right. Okay.
Acha, now bring the back. Now you can place
Okay.
it above the.
Yeah, place above the.
Place it above the white part. Place it above the white part, but it will not be stable.
Okay, okay,
It will be
please,
stable,
please.
it will be tight. Not there.
Well, gentlemen, I have
Go.
gentlemen, I have an idea. We can do.
We can use balli.
We can tie that rope here in this U shape, and we can put balli inside it, and over that balli we can
That
put
is also a
that
great
plank.
idea, but I think we should first try. If it will be stable, then our task will be much easier. You can, Shivanand.
Yeah.
उसके ऊपर रखना white वाले पे.
White.
But I think that is
Take it.
much hard to do. Carefully. You can do it again.
Come here.
Away.
Well,
और आगे ले जाओ वहाँ पे जमीन पे लगा दो. हाँ बस. नहीं जाना. ठीक है, bring it back.
I think we can continue with this idea of this rope and balli.
Yeah.
So can you please pass the rope?
Put it here. And give it back.
Wait, so heavy. Oh, please.
What we can do is that we can create a loop right here.
Yes.
Please don't touch.
That is
Please
what
don't touch.
I'm saying.
Run upper.
Manpower.
I think chest number okay. 11.
I think we can continue with the idea.
This
Can we
is not a great idea. This is not
We
a
can
great idea. Bring back
make
your
a loop here,
Wait.
and then we can put this
Shiva.
balli,
इस
and it would act as a fulcrum.
एक loop लगाओ.
Okay, we have to make a bridge.
It would act as a fulcrum.
Okay.
Create a loop.
Please hold it. I help him.
Create a loop.
If that is red, how can we pass through that?
White.
No. Yeah, that. If that part is red part, then how can we stand in there?
Place what is placing what?
Okay, okay.
Place here. Place it.
Carefully, gentlemen. You can tighten it.
Okay.
Tighten.
Tighten your rope.
Tighten it. Yes, it is good. We can put it beneath. Now you please lose it. Much more.
Yeah, I think it can remove by any moment.
It will not touch. Leave it. It will not touch, and then we can put that thing fatta over it, and it will easily reach at that triangle. And it will shorten the distance. It will shorten the distance.
It will not be very stable.
What I can do is rather
We can tie it with the help of this so it can be stable.
actually you cannot tie two rigid objects together.
As right now we don't have any other solution, so we can continue with this solution.
What we can do is bring the patta. Where is the plank?
Yes.
Pass it through the rope. Pass it.
Okay, again.
Create the loop. And pass the patta through the rope.
Okay, you can take time.
This will be good.
Pass it.
Yeah.
Don't.
Okay, leave from there. Place it down.
Place it down. Here.
A person will stand on it.
This is a stable structure. Actually.
Yeah, wait.
But gentlemen, it is more than
I have an idea. Please. I have an idea.
So it is touching this ground.
Okay, sir. Okay. Please, I have an idea. Please.
Gentlemen,
wait.
as it is more than 4 feet,
please,
so I don't think that we can reach
Just
there.
number 5, please out of the ground. Please,
Okay,
move out.
okay. Please,
Okay, I will exceed.
okay, and we will put inside
You can
this.
more extend it more. Hold it
Wait,
because
yeah,
it will
wait.
touch a blue.
Hey, wait.
blue
Wait.
area.
We can, you tried it. Wait. Give it this way. We will be placing it this way.
No.
Gentlemen, the same
it
thing
will
I was
be
doing with that Valli.
Valli.
I think it would be more stable as compared to this.
But Valli will be not.
You cannot.
As Fatta is also heavy, so it would not take the.
Think about how can you stabilize the plank from the back.
Yes, sir. Yes. I have an idea, sir. Please, take it your side. And
It can be put beneath it.
yeah,
You leave it.
please,
Okay.
Okay.
Between these-
you leave it. Leave. Leave it. I will.
okay, and please,
There is no need of Valli.
please put your.
Without Valli, it can also work.
Without Valli, we can do it.
It will not-
Without Valli, it can also
I
work.
think-
We have to put it out. We have to move further.
We can make it stable by holding it.
No, you don't need to apply human effort as long as it is not.
That's right.
Gentlemen, Valli is also heavy, so I think
Okay, gentlemen, the idea is understood. The forward next to the stone is now of the usual color, and we can proceed with it.
Okay, go.
So we will work as our old plan.
Okay, as we already discussed it earlier, we can go with that. Please be careful. Please be careful.
Come back. Be
carefully.
Okay. Please push it further. Okay, now go one by one.
I think we should.
Give the load part.
You go that side with this load.
Give the rope. One of you can do also the rope. Check number 11. You will cross now.
Please
I can take that rope further. You can give this Valli also to me.
Okay, you can go and I will pass. Okay, please pass it.
Pass the Valli here.
Check number 5. Proceed.
Please pull it further. Yes. Okay, that's nice.
Please step a little bit far so that
after
it
the
cannot
half.
touch that ground.
Yeah. No. Move aside.
Okay, just number 2. Come.
Oi!
Don't step here. Well, okay. We can
Okay,
recover
good.
it. ब्लू पे खाली पैन रख सकते हैं ये बल्ला वाले नहीं रखते
पैर रख सकते हैं बाकी बल्ला नहीं रखते राइट
So what you will be doing
यहाँ
is
पैर रख सकते हैं.
सब कुछ रखते हैं.
well gentlemen I have an idea
yeah, we can place the balli and tie it.
We can
No,
create
no,
a
no,
loop
no.
right here.
yes we can put the balli in the in that loop, that fatta in that loop
First, where is the rope?
here.
Shivanand.
Yes, sir.
That structure to be entire white.
Okay, entire white. So entire white. So we can first we need to.
Yeah, we can
Okay, we
put
can,
the
we can
balli.
put it.
We will
Put the
on
balli
it.
upward.
We can put it on it.
Yeah.
this side. Okay. Then we will move that side, and then we can put.
We can put this fatta over it. We can
Okay,
put
and
it
tie
fatta
it.
over it.
Yeah.
and tied it.
No,
And it could be easily tied.
You cannot actually tie two rigid objects together.
No, it can be tied. I think you should recall the instructions.
So can we tie it?
Okay.
Two rigid objects.
Rigid objects are balli and fatta. Okay, I'm holding it. You can tie. I'm holding it.
Okay. 1 second. I am tying it.
Tie it from here, this side. It would be more stable.
You are just
From behind.
not using it properly.
Okay, please do it one by one. Not. Okay. Okay. Around it further.
Gentlemen, make it behind at this place.
What?
Okay. Yeah, that's also nice.
Great. That would be great work.
Remember one thing. In the last, we have to open it again.
Yes.
So first, I will going to move. Okay.
I think the lighter person should try first.
Okay.
Or
Go. You are right.
I'm
And
holding it.
one man, please hold it.
I'm holding it.
Okay.
Leave it. Just leave it. Believe
Wait.
Go. Go, Ishan.
You can go.
Move the
How the
object
other person will
what
go?
that we passed.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है.
I think it is enough stable.
Wait.
No, don't step on it.
Please handle
I think
with
you
care.
can put one step. You can put one step.
Handle with
It
care.
will go nowhere.
It is an injured person. Please.
It will go nowhere.
Wait. Can't we jump? Can we jump?
Wait, I'm coming there.
But how will the last person go?
But why my
अबे बल्ली पर काम करेगा रुक जा अभी.
हो गया वही सी.
बल्ली काम कर सकता है.
Okay. Just number 8. I think
Lightest
you can go.
just number 8.
You should move.
Yeah, just number 8.
Move side.
Great. It is.
संदीप जाओ बारी बारी.
पीछे जाएंगे फिर वापस.
नहीं शायद लास्ट के 2 मैन कैसे आएंगे वो भी ध्यान देना है ना. हाउ द अदर 2 मैन विल क्रॉस दिस.
Later on, we can make
Last
structure
man,
from there.
What we can do is we can hold the patta from here. So that the
ये
last
पूरा
man-
वाइड है ना, इस पे रख सकते हैं ना पल्ली.
हाँ
और वहाँ भी वाइड है, तो इसको वहाँ पहुँचे नहीं.
नहीं
पहुँच सकते नहीं वो.
नहीं पहुंचेगा.
What we can do is create a plank here, bridge here. We can keep the bridge on the white part and tie it here so that last person can come.
इसको आगे बढ़ा. We can jump. We can't jump ना. There.
Don't stop.
Why?
How many people can cross the obstacle?
Two will remain there.
Sir.
One will remain there.
One will.
One.
Excluding one, everyone please from the ground. You can
From the ground. From the ground. You can.
Okay, you can go. You can go. You can go. So,
This is not a good solution in my point of view.
wherever you are standing is now white.
Okay, white. So now you can keep.
Now we can make it easily.
Okay, that's you can pass through. But how can that guy will come?
Remember, rope would not touch the ground. Okay. Wide हो गया ना.
well,
Remember that.
How can that guy will come here?
Yeah, he will come. He will come. I have planned.
Plank is not stable on that side.
I have.
बस इस पे लगाएंगे और फिर वो white वाले पे चढ़.
We will place the plank here. And
Here it is. Shiva here.
okay,
right
gentlemen. Here.
there is the plank with the help of
Okay.
this.
In the beneath. Please,
Give the rope.
place the plank first. Oh,
Give the,
that
You
guy-
can put plank here. It would make a fulcrum from that base.
Please, from the beneath. Okay. No, please. Stand.
It would be enough stable.
Okay.
No,
Can I help you?
don't touch it with the blue.
It would be enough stable,
Yeah, it will
gentlemen.
be enough. You have to just
Okay.
put, carry, touch it. huh? Okay. पकड़े रहना उसको. Okay.
Well.
Please.
You move further. You move
Yeah,
further.
you come to that platform. Okay.
Okay, now you can pass the balla and yes, come. Now you can pass the balli.
Okay.
Yeah.
This.
Great, then we have completely concluded 3 tasks.
Okay.
So
Now we will complete the task. So we are going to
So,
put
gentlemen,
this.
what
Please,
put patta here.
please have an idea. Please have an idea.
On
Please,
that
please,
base. Put patta here.
don't make a rush. Please have an idea first.
We can keep it on the white part
And then we will make a bridge. Okay.
4 feet. 1, 2.
Remember, it will touch only one.
That's how it is.
Not from above. From above. Listen to me.
Yeah, you can use that.
You can put it on that stone also.
Okay.
It will reach easily.
Okay.
And there is no need of that. You can pass
Yes,
easily
we can
from
pass
there
the load also.
But it will be more easier than that. What our main priority should be how to cover these areas. That will be covered.
Wait, Shivanand, wait. Let's have a plan.
Wait, what we can do? Firstly, this crossing this. is
I
not-
think Gentlemen,
Across this
I
area.
think we can put this balli inside that loop,
Inside the pipe.
inside that pipe.
We will put here.
Just
and then
number
we will
2,
create-
you should try it first.
Okay, give it.
Okay.
Put it. If it is.
Yes, that would be great.
So from there,
The inside portion is now red.
Okay.
that is red.
Okay, okay. Please.
Also, listen to we have jumped over the this part, which needs to be bridged, not jumped.
This part.
This is more than 4 feet.
Please come back to the first.
We have to jump over that platform without using the bridge.
Please come back to the first. We don't need to jump to that.
Okay, we need a bridge.
More than 4 feet. So you can't jump.
So, listen.
What we can do is keep the plank over there.
Ask,
Okay, okay.
Okay. Listen, we can do it by, as we have used in that place, that we placed a plank on the solid surface and stuck in that.
Give the plank to me once.
But relax, but they have to be here first. Then we have to use that.
First, we should. What we can do is now.
Okay, gentlemen.
We can easily
I
cross
have
to
an
that
idea.
side without the
I have an
balli.
idea. We can make a base by tightening rope here, and then we can put a balli between beneath the rope, and it would be
In
that
place of the
support.
rope, also what we can do is that we can use this and this part to create a bridge over here. We
Yeah.
can cross easily here, and then from there we can keep the.
Yeah, yeah. I
That
agree
would
with
be
you.
also
We can-
workable.
Okay, now
That is also
everyone
workable.
will come here and stand on this structure so we can move further.
Okay.
Keep the balli that
First,
side.
no,
One
we have
person
to
will
take
have
all
to mean.
First,
Wait.
and take over all the things which we have to carry.
No, keep the load here. Keep the load here. Keep the load and see here.
No need, gentlemen. One or two person can stay there with the load.
But if we plank, we will stable
And-
the plank here. Then
Okay,
we will
please.
We can now guess the idea.
carry on the.
First, you have to.
ऊपर से ऊपर.
Plank इसके नीचे डाल के भी यहाँ
Okay, okay. हाँ, that's all.
इसके नीचे फंसाओ, इस पे रखो जहाँ तुम खड़े हो। इसके नीचे करो। इसके नीचे भाई, इसके डाउन में करो। इसके नीचे जहाँ सुबह उसके नीचे करो।
टपक जाएगा नीचे.
Okay, move it further. Move it further. Move it further.
रोक की जरूरत नहीं है।
Further.
वहाँ नहीं पड़ेंगे ना, वहाँ तक।
Okay, okay.
Okay.
That's
Great.
fine. That's fine. That's fine.
But first, we have to make all of you from here because that.
हाँ, give the-
Some of us can move forward.
Okay, gentlemen. That thing, the projection is now red.
Which projection?
That position where.
That's
Okay.
small cuboid.
Not red, it's blue. And the
Don't.
11.
11.
the right leg of yours
Sir.
is now white.
Okay, this
The
is
right
white.
leg of yours is now white.
This is white, sir.
Keep it.
One sir.
नंबर 8 इसका yellow है। ये white होगा। अब यहीं से bridge बना।
Yeah, you can place it for the
Yes, we can
upside,
put-
upside down.
This is also white.
Inside
Please, please,
This is white.
This is white.
please put it inside from this side.
But
Let.
blue, don't touch the blue. Make it as a cross.
Okay.
This is much better.
But
Yeah.
make it cross. We are touching the blue portion.
Where is the blue? portion?
Again. Now
Now the front portion is now blue.
this is blue.
This one is blue.
All part is blue.
Okay, ये पूरा नीचे.
Well, we can tie this
So
fatta
this projection
over
is
this.
also blue.
No. We can use that.
We can use it. So we will be using this
By beneath, we will.
Okay.
place it
Okay.
by
Ah,
beneath.
that
Put
is
this
also white
fatta.
also.
Put this fatta beneath this.
That blue
structure.
part is also actually white now.
No.
Sir has told that is also
Okay,
white.
then use it.
Okay, please place it beneath the that projection. Okay.
आ जाएगा थोड़ा नीचे.
नहीं आ रहा. Don't.
नहीं आएगा. I think we can put this here, where you are standing. Where you are standing.
Yeah. Climb on it.
You put it.
And not. Yeah.
We can move towards that structure.
Gentlemen, that portion is also blue.
That is also blue.
Projection is
This one. ऊपर आ
That
जाऊंगा.
portion is also blue. That portion is blue.
So now we have to create.
Okay,
a row.
please put the balli over there. Put the patai over there and tie it.
From here.
I think we can continue to that structure.
Relax.
Oh, sorry.
That is a blue part now. That's a blue part now.
Now you can stand on that
Right,
portion.
right.
You can stand. Where are you standing?
That's the blue part. Please,
You are in the out of bound area first.
Govinda,
Start
please
from-
put
I
it
can
there.
stand here.
That is blue portion.
This is the white portion.
Yeah, here you can place it. But it will not be stable.
You can keep the.
From the beneath, from the big. No, 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 no. Both should not be from the. This will not be stable. Okay. Let. Please
And bring it down.
bring it down. Okay.
ये वाला blue है. ये वाला blue है
yeah,
छोटा
वो
सा.
blue है.
That's blue also.
बड़ा वाला blue है.
सब blue है.
जहाँ खड़ा था मैं वो वाला
सब blue है. रुक जा. Wait.
भी blue है.
Okay, entire top.
Please, yeah, place it.
We can tie this
Okay, now we can tie this.
patta here.
Now what we can do is we can create type.
Place the balli beneath this and this. What I am saying.
Now keep the patta on here.
But it is touching the blue.
Wait. Place it between.
Meters along.
Yeah. From the beneath. And the. Nah.
आ जाएगा.
That would be dangerous,
That
gentlemen.
will
I
be
think.
dangerous. Yeah.
We will tie.
Yeah, we
We
can
can
tie.
easily- we can easily tie it.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
We will tie the balli in beneath.
Okay, gentlemen, let me try.
Bottom person. Okay, we can tie. The leader wants to.
That's why chest number 8.
wants to
I
tie
think
this.
we can continue with this idea. We can tie it here.
Okay, yeah.
That would be more supportive.
Please have a bully aside.
But we have to move to that portion.
Gentlemen, come,
Okay,
come
please.
back, let us try.
Okay, yeah. Sure.
Hold the pulley.
Wait,
We have to move it
the
further.
one who is proficient in tying, please go for.
Number 5, you are good at tying. I think you should continue.
Come here. We have to move it further. It's not enough.
Keep it this way, na? Keep it this way.
Okay, that's enough length. We can pass it. Yeah. Okay. I can. Okay. We have a very good tire here. So use his ability.
हाँ कम होगा पैर कुछ से कम ही है कम है
Now that's a very good part for us. Okay. You can tie inside also, beneath also. All. अभी मत देखो सचिन कर देंगे ठीक है. Okay, you can go. Let's try first. Stand there.
Gentlemen.
Stand on it.
Stand and make it stable.
Stand on it.
Stand and make it stable.
Now,
Jump करना पड़ेगा.
You carefully.
No.
Great.
Wait, that's not stable. Very.
move it on another portion. Okay.
You want to go?
I think 1 or 2 can also go further.
Let me go.
Firstly, we should create a path. Give the balli
Now
here.
there we can use
We
balli.
can use here. Balli, हाँ उसके उधर से.
There we can use balli.
Here you
Wait
can
for
use.
balli.
This inside part is red.
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 But there we can use balli.
There you can use.
But how? The question is how.
Now the internal part is now right. Okay.
With the help of it, we can also recover all the materials.
So firstly, it is.
So I can use this balli to reach there.
Come here.
Wait.
Now,
Put it inside
firstly,
further.
we should.
Okay. So we don't need plank here now. We will make bridge from here.
What we can do is you could use a plank.
Well, gentlemen, we can untie this plank so that we can move further.
Untie that plank, and now we will use balli as a bridge.
We have
now
to
move
move the
here.
load.
Okay.
We can move the load if the person go to
You can sit
that
there.
last boundary.
Untie the plank.
Okay.
Don't touch the electrified. Yeah.
And we can use this rope and this plank to make structure there.
It will be able to. Make
You
a
leave it. I'm holding.
Okay. Please be quick.
that portion is blue. Where is our
Load. Take the load with you.
take the load with you?
Wait. Let's first make a
You can pass this load.
नीचे डालना और ये white उठा देना.
नीचे से
White वाले. Put it on the white portion. Okay. And now from the beneath. Okay.
That portion is blue.
ये white है, ये वाला white है, आगे ले जाओ.
No, no, that will not work. That will not work. That will touch the out of bound area.
Okay, the forward structure is now red.
Forward structure.
Structure is now red.
The entire surface is now red.
Gentlemen, we can see if this plank is reaching here.
That balli. Place the balli there.
This plank is reaching here.
From the that side. Please be careful. And
It would not be stable. You can check if this plank reach on these two structure.
this will not be.
Touch the ground.
Chest number 8, just check.
Just number 8. Move here and put the plank.
You keep this belly here only so that we can recover. And also,
Yeah, we can put that bully inside that for the pass. Wait.
Give
Yeah.
the plank. Put the balli there.
Hmm?
Inside it. Put it there. Need my help?
He can do by itself himself only.
This
Okay.
is the stable structure. Firstly, we
We
should
can pass.
transport the load.
okay, gentlemen, you can pass this load.
Internal part of that is red.
Take it out. Use
Yeah,
the plank.
please.
Put the plank.
Give the
inside
plank.
it and make it stable with the rope. Shiva,
Yeah.
place the plank in the down part and use the rope. to
You can pass
Okay?
this belly to me.
Please be careful. Please be careful. That is the red part.
Yeah, touch the red part.
Nice.
Right, you have touched out about it. Yeah.
भाई बिजली लग जाएगी तेरे को गिर रहा है नीचे.
Chest number 8, put it carefully. And that would be great. It would be
Yeah,
less
that
than,
will
less
not
than
require
4 feet.
any
You can
roping.
go further and we can pass this load also.
Pass the load. Pass the load. Come here.
Okay, you can come above carefully.
Okay.
Pass this load. You can come.
Give the balli. Go. Inside balli.
Rope and all.
Go.
But gentlemen, how
Do we need any bully?
would we recover from here?
We will use the balli. You come.
What?
Now the structure is of its usual color.
Acha, it's of usual color. Reach there first.
You go on the triangle structure and then move further.
That is more than
Keep
4
the
feet.
load on the triangular part. Keep the load on the triangular part. And then cross from there. Oh, nearly. Fifth second. Sure.
कोई नहीं.
Return back.
Please be
कोई दिक्कत
careful
नहीं है.
and
फिर वहाँ से चले जाओ.
No problem. यहाँ से कैसे जाएंगे आगे?
हाँ से.
बल्ली लगा के.
बल्ली लगा ही देते हैं ना.
लोड चला गया ना हम लोग. Yes sir. नीचे हम लोग रिस्क ले.
हाँ.
We can keep.
You are touching the red line. Red
Okay.
portion.
Go and pass this bully to him.
How will
भाई हम
We can keep this belly here. ऊपर का white
अच्छा
and
जंप कर सकते हैं नहीं
नहीं
कर
यहाँ
Chest number 2. You move to the plank.
अबे यार जंप करने से आगे जाएंगे फिर.
4 feet ज्यादा है.
Usual color except for this one.
अच्छा सब कुछ यूजुअल हो गया खाली. तो बल्ला इधर लगा भाई. तो बल्ली इधर लगा दो भाई हम लोग उधर चले.
अरे pass the bully. First pass the bully and
I think that's the only structure. You can pass this belly. You can pass this belly here, and we can put it here so that we can go further.
Listen to me. Place the balli there.
yeah.
Everything is.
Yeah, firstly we'll pass the belly, then we'll
First
place
pass the
it.
bully.
बस इसके अंदर बल्ली लगा.
Try. Please help me. नहीं आ सकता.
Okay, you hold the hand and can move further. You hold my hand and move further.
Inside क्या?
Go on that blue structure.
cross like this, okay, everyone.
From there to here.
You can also go.
From why are you standing on that? You can use the plank. You are just number 5. Please begin from here. Because
ठीक
you
है
are
यार,
just-
चलो यार, हो गया बहुत.
Okay. Yeah,
कुछ नहीं
you can
होता.
go, yeah.
आ जाओ.
We cross here.
Okay, you can pass this balli to me. Pass this balli to me. ठीक है.
Wait,
We have completed, gentlemen.
We require balli. Okay.
Control your enthusiasm, sir. Control is.
Great, gentlemen. We can.
Okay.
We have completed
please
task.
pass.
We are going to the
Can't we use it like this? Very, how you can?
Okay, I should try it. I can recover it.
I can get it from here.
Give me the chance.
Wait, use the rope.
Okay, I understand.
Take it.
अबे बाहर से ये.
Okay. Yeah.
बाहर से. Place it here.
Great.
Okay. We are given that task to a halka man.
ठीक है, बल्ला ज्यादा भारी है यार, ये इतना आवाज हो रहा है वो तो.
We are complete.
Congrats, yourself.